Hi, Strategic HRD students. This is Steve Wagner, your professor, and this is a quick video to show you how to use Blackboard Collaborate to record the presentation for your HRD application project. And you will see a link to do this recording inside each of modules 9 and 10, but you can also get to this area through the Assignments tab off the main menu if you go to the HRD Application Project folder, or you can go directly to Blackboard Collaborate Ultra off the main menu. All of those are options to get into Collaborate Ultra. So here we are in the assignments area in the HRD application project folder, and you can click on this link that says record your HRD project presentation. Here you can see that you should be doing that anywhere between 7:20 and 7:31, with the 31st being the last day of class. If we click on that, it will open up Collaborate Ultra, as you can see here, and you'll see a list of names below the course room, and you should be looking for your name. These are listed by alphabetical by last name. And if you have a last name that comes later in the alphabet like mine, you may have to go down to the bottom and hit that number 2 and find your room. And so we can find my room here, and I would click on that, and then it would allow me to join the session. Okay? And I am going to want to use the microphone and the webcam to do this presentation. So you're going to allow it when you click on that. Down here at the bottom, there's got this tab for Session Engagement Insights. I just like to close that out. Okay, and so here you'll have this screen, and you can see that it'll allow you to record. You probably shouldn't start out recording. You want to get things set up first. Okay, and you can here open up this tab, and it will allow you to bring in a file. You're going to bring in your PowerPoint, and by clicking Share Files and then Add Files, and what it does is open up here a file menu of different files that you may have on your hard drive or your thumb drive. Again, you can direct it to what you want. I'm just going to pick a file. Here's one on equity theory that I've got in here. So we'll click on that, and you can see that it's uploading here. And when it's done uploading, it will convert it, and eventually we'll see a series of pages of the PowerPoint below after it's done converting. And so here is the PowerPoint file, and I'll say Share Now. And so when I share that, I can click on those slides, and it will allow me to then do the presentation. So you're going to do this with your PowerPoint that you developed for your project, and you're going to upload it as I just demonstrated. And once you're ready here, you're going to want to start doing your presentation. Now, you're going to want to activate your microphone. And there you can see that it's working. As you can see it activated, and you can see that it's receiving information. You can also turn on your web camera. You may have to say allow to do that, and sometimes it takes a couple of times. Here I'm going to share my video, and when you do that, the video is just going to be in the lower corner. It's going to be featuring the PowerPoint slides. But, you know, in a presentation, it's often nice to have your face there I think it can, add to the feeling of presence that you have. I'm not going to necessarily count off if you don't have the video going, but you certainly have to have the audio going and have this recorded in Blackboard Collaborate. But now that we're all set, we can hit record, and as you do that, you would start your presentation, and you should go through it and give the best presentation that you can. You can record multiple times if your presentation isn't going as you wish. Once you are done, though, with the presentation, you can click on this upper left-hand corner where it has the 3 lines and say, Stop Recording. And you'll see that it says, Recording has stopped. Once you've done that, you can leave the room if you like. And it may take a little bit for that recording to come through for you to look at. I'm just going to close out this tab and go back to Collaborate Ultra. When we go here, we should be able to look at recordings. And you can see here it's listed my recording. It's not available yet, but it will be available later. But if you want to look at your recording again, you can click when you go to Blackboard Collaborate, click on these 3 lines and say recordings, and it will list the recording under the session name, which should be your name, and the particular recording. And again, it may take just a little bit. You can see now it is fully available. It's got the green check mark. It's got the duration. Of course, your recording is going to be longer than that. So I hope this helps you to use Blackboard Collaborate in order to do your recordings. If you do have questions or encounter any difficulty, please contact me and I will do what I can to help you. So take care, and I'll talk to you later. Bye now.